All right, well, here's a little update. Meant to upload this, but you know, I'll be talking to my homie, King D 20 King D 2000 or whatever his name is, aka Donnie. Your face is a butt. No, your face is a butt. Anyways, teaching my daughter the art of trash talk. All right, man, whatever. But this is what I got done. Got my pressure hose and my return. Oh, this for sale, by the way. Came out of an 88 Olds. Oh, damn. Man, be quiet. Cuz, you're overcooking my grits. You don't know how to cook? No. Okay. Anyways, all right, I'm about to put this relay kit on. This one right here. I think I might buy a different temperature sensor because this one turns off at 195. I might get the one that turns off at 185. Let's see. Let's see what else. Oh, what else? Oh, that's really about it. This is just gonna be a small little update. Got a oh yeah, got my drive shaft in, or steering shaft I should say. Got that in, sway bar fit. That's how I know that my last body, that's how I really know that my last body, it was bent, because I couldn't get this sway bar on to save my life. So that's how I knew that's how it really confirmed now that the last body was bent. But I got my fan relay. I'm gonna install that, but it's just a little minor update on what I got going on. And I'm looking for the damn yeah, he saw the LS swap. Whoever that is moving shit. You know what the fuck going on. I gotta find the damn the brake booster that comes in Grand Nationals. I want the Hydro Boost. I'm getting rid of this. But that motherfucker's hard as fuck to find. And I'm not trying to get them joints that cost like $600-700. But yeah, this is just a little update. Again, this for sale. I don't need it. Come with the shifter cable too. The shifter cable's for a W30. I don't know if that means anything to anybody. Oh, hold on. Let me close up shop, but it's just a little minor update. This is what's on the agenda. Fan relay, button up some other stuff. And yeah. All right, y'all.